Alright, so we've got this 88 XR600 muffler. It's a bit of a mess, it's had a few repairs on it. It's not bad there. It does have all the writing on it. Has a decent sort of scratch there. Bit of a dent there. So the inside's a bit of a mess. The good thing about it is it's still got all the writing. And the original welds, even though it is rusted through, it's had a few patches on it. It's not bad there. The end's pretty good, which is the main thing. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to make a whole new piece for here. Try and press these indentations in. Maybe join it along this weld. And maybe up here. Try and keep that factory weld there. Maybe replace that. Try and make something for there. All this looks good, which is the part you'll see the most. Couple of little dents in there. It's a bit ugly. So I think we'll give it a good sandblast and a wire wheel. We'll see how we go. Alright, so starting to fix a few dents in the XR muffler. Fold those up pretty good. Broken out the old panel beating tools. And we're going to try and get that big swage out of there. Should be able to get it from in there, prise it out, file it up without marking the writing. So we'll give that a whirl. So far it's coming up good. Got big dents out of the bottom. There's a big dent in there. There's a little one there I might try and get out. And I think the side covers only come to about there, so anything forward of that, it's not really important, but yeah. I'll try and get that out. Okay, so we're managing to slowly get this dent out. Just got the screwdriver in there, I'm just slowly prising it out, little bits at a time, just knocking the top off of the file. So yeah, it's getting there, just very slowly. Try not to damage all that writing on there. Keep it looking original. So yeah, we'll just keep prising and see how we go. Alrighty, so we managed to get this big dent that was in there out. Managed to push it out through that hole there. There's a bit of a dent there, got that out. Dent out of there. So that's the main part you'll see. So yeah, it looks good. Just carry on and do all the rest of them. Okay, we're back. Continuing with the exhaust repair. So I've cut out these slots. I'm going to file all these to make the die. That's a lot of filing. Oh well, keep going. Okay, so here are the dies for the pressings in the muffler. So I've filed all these out, drilled and filed and cut all these out. Now this is like 6mm plate. Okay, so that's the result. A couple of test strips. Pretty good on there. So I think we'll make up the jig now and do some complete sizes. Okay, so this is how I centralize the pressings before I weld the plate on them. Just get a bit of Play-Doh, put it in there, push it down. Get yourself a knife, trim away some of the excess. And just push it down to its level, both ends. Trim away the excess. And then you'll be able to see where you need to move them, because the purple will be eventually the metal. So as long as it's in the middle, you need to pull it down a bit, you can move it around. So those are all centralised in the pressings. And I'll get this piece of tin, drill some holes in it, and I'll clamp it on there and I'll plug weld through it to the pressings. I've marked out where the holes are going to be. And then I'll weld this to here, and then nothing can move. And then if I want to put something in it, I can just bend it up, put a piece of tin in it, put it down, it'll always be in the same place. Alright, those are all set up. I'm happy with them. Drilled my holes, marked where it goes. Happy with that. It's going to go there. Weld down there, that'll be my hinge. That gives me plenty of meat in here to put a longer piece of metal if I want. So I'll clamp that down and weld her on. Okay, we've welded that on. Let it cool down, clean all the Play-Doh out of it, and we'll chuck it in the press and see how we go. So here's one I did the other day. So there's, those flutes will be for here on the other side, and there's the dies welded on there. So there's a couple of practice runs, so they look quite good. So that's a third of them done, and we'll just move on to the big ones.